So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to register on Exness and connect your Exness account to your trader5 account. All right. So first of all, what is Exness? Exness is a brokerage account where you make your deposits and your withdrawals. All right. So today we'll be creating an account with Exness. So when we register on Exness, we create a real account with them. Okay, so it is in that real account that you make deposit and you withdraw. So when we create a real account, we connect it to MetaTrader 5 because we'll be trading on MetaTrader 5. On MetaTrader 5, that's where we're placing our buy orders and sell orders. Okay, so let's stay true. So now this is the link to Exness. So just click on it and it will take you straight to their website. All right, so it will bring you, all you need to do is just click on register. So you just register with your email account. All right, very simple. So once you verify this, it will take you straight to where you register. You can see create an account. So just put in your country. We are in Nigeria, so I'm selecting Nigeria. If you're outside Nigeria, you just select your particular country. All right, so you can see email address. So now you put your email address. So I've already used my email address to create an account. So I already have an account right here. I already have an account. This account, I think I've not really verified it because I always drop videos on how to register. So I always use my email address for that. So now I'll just put a password. So create a strong password. You can see the criteria for the password. So I'll just be putting in a random password just for this video. All right, so you put a special character. All right, you can see everything is done. If I click on continue now, they will tell me that I've used this already. Okay, so all you need to do, just use a fresh email. All right, well, you can see I still created an account with it. So this is it. You can save your password or later. All right, so you can see the account you're already in the account. So the next thing to do is to download the app. You can see when you use their website, it's not really understandable. It's quite difficult to navigate. So after registering on their website, the next thing is to download the app. So go straight to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the app. You can see I don't need to download it again because I already have the app right here. So once you are done downloading the app, this is the app you download. You can see how the icon looks like Exness. Right, let me just go to App Store and type it. So you can see this one, you can see a lot of them. This Exness Finance, don't click on it. That's why you need to register on the website first before you download the app. So the one you are downloading is this Exness Trade Online Trading. That's the one you're gonna download. Okay, Exness Trade Online Trading. So that's what you download. So once you have downloaded it, just open it and it will bring you straight here. Now you don't need to create another account because you've already created an account on the website. All you need to do is just use that same email and then sign in. Okay, so I'm gonna be signing in. I think I saved the password. All right, let me just sign in again. So just type that same email that you registered with. Okay, so you put your password. All right, and then you click on sign in. Then you first of all you need to set a code. This is like a passcode. Whenever you want to log in, just put the code. So I'll just put this. All right, so you can see you can also enable Face ID if you're using iPhone. You can see I'm in the account. So once you are in this account, the next step to take is to verify your account. So just come straight to profile. Then you can see the first one. You can see the verification progress, not verified. So all you need to do is just click on this complete profile. All right, complete what profile. So I won't be doing this verification because but it is very simple. So this verification is in 3 steps. You can see 0/3. So the first one is to verify your email. Just click on this send code and they will send you a code to your email. So all you need to do is just to input the code that was sent and then you have verified your email. Then the second one is to verify your phone number. So just put in your phone number. They will also send you a code. You put in the code and you have verified your phone number. Then the last one, which is your identity document. That's your you can upload either your NIN, your driving license, your passport, any identity document that you have. All right, you can upload it and then you get verified. Now make sure that when you get to this upload document, they will tell you to fill your details, your name, your address, your number, and all that. So make sure that your first name on your ID and the middle name on your ID, they are the same thing, right? Make sure that the details you are filling in, it is also the same thing on your documents you want to upload, so that they won't decline your verification. They will just verify you very fast. All right, so that's all for verification. And once you are done, you will see the verification process. They will write it for you basic, meaning they will just non-partial. They put non-partial, not like partially verified. So the fourth one now is just to make deposits. When you make deposits, that's when you will see fully verified. All right, so now after verification, the next thing to do after verification is to come to account and you create a real account. Now you create a real account. So now if you check on this, you can see where they wrote standard. This is, you can see the real account 0.00 USD, because whenever you register on Exness, they have already created a real account for you. So if you click on this arrow at the top right here, if you click on the arrow at the top, you see accounts. So if you can see your real account they created for you, you see where you see the demo account they also created for you. All right, so you can actually use this one, or if you don't want to use this one, you can just click on the plus sign and then you create a new one. So for the people that wants to learn how to create a new one, so I'll just be creating a new one so that you know. So all you need to do is just come to real and click on the plus sign. All right, if you want to create demo, you come to demo and also click on the plus sign. So just come to real, because I'm going to be creating a real account. So the same process I used to create a real account, you can also use the same process to create a demo account. So come to real account and click on the plus sign. You see the account type, you can see demo, and so we are creating a real account. So just click on the real account, then it will bring you here. You can see all the account types you can create. All right, this 0 is a very nice account, but you can see the minimum deposit $500. So if you are depositing $500 and above, you can actually use this 0. You can see the spread is they are not charging you any spread, but they are charging you a commission of 0.05. So this is what you see in 0. The same thing with this raw spread. You can see the minimum deposit is $500 and the spread is 0. They are not charging you any commission. So this is actually the best. Then I think this one now is the pro account. You can see there is spread. The minimum deposit is still $500, but they will charge you a spread of 0.10 but no commission. So I think this is actually what the best one to choose. You can see low raw spread and a low fixed commission. This is actually very good. Then this is the standard cent, the basic one. So for now I'll be using this actually because if we check this standard cent, the spread is much bigger. You can see the spread is 0.30, while the standard one, which is the recommended one, is 0.20. So I recommend this standard spread, this standard account, if you can't deposit $500 and above. That's this one now, this raw spread. If you can't choose this raw spread, then please choose the standard one. So this is, you can see where the wrote recommended. This is actually very, very good. So click on continue and then you come to currency. Now another very important something is, some people always ask me, Coach Joy, how do you create your Naira account? How do you do that? So this is how I do that. So listen very carefully. You can see where they wrote currency. All right, this is actually where you can create a Naira account. Just click on the currency and choose and select Naira. Look for Naira and just select what? Naira. You can see your NGN, Nigerian Naira. Just click on it and you can see this is you creating what? A Naira account. You can also create other currencies account. All right, so this is how I do that. So for people asking me, Coach Joy, how do you create your Naira account? This is how I do that. So I'm going to change it back to USD. So now you can choose a nickname if you want. Let me just add Coach. Okay, so I love that Coach, right? Because I really love teaching. So now you can see the platform MT5. We are using MT5 to trade. That's our trading platform. You can see MT4. MT4 is the old version of MT5. So you can see people also trade on Exness. Like they just trade in the app. They don't need to connect it to any other trading platform. They just trade directly from the app. And so you can also choose what? Exness. But the reason why we use MT5 is because MT5 is very, very, very easy to navigate. That's why we use MT5. Alright, so I'll be choosing MT5 for this. Then now leverage, please. Guys, if you are joining my group, I will soon be dropping a video on leverage. All right, this leverage is very, very important in trading. So if you don't have any knowledge on leverage yet, please, I recommend you use 1:500. All right, this 1:500, 1:500 leverage, please use that. Okay, for now, if you don't have any knowledge and you are trying to create an account to start trading, just use this 1:500. As time progresses, I will drop a comprehensive video on leverage, what leverage means, what's the best leverage to use, and how you can use this leverage, to scale up in profit. Because the main thing in trading is how to maximize your wins and minimize your losses. So if I'm teaching leverage, I'm telling you how to use leverage to scale up, and not how to use leverage to grow up your account. So that is it. So for now, we are choosing this 1:500. So I will select that, and then I will click on continue. Now another thing is this password now. So now this password you are creating is the password you'll be using to log in this account you are creating to MT5. So don't try to forget it. You can see trading password is the password you use to log into MetaTrader. So just put a password. You can use the same password as your Exness login password. Okay, so you can use the same one. Okay, so just click on continue, and you can see coach. You can see the nickname we choose. So this is the account. We've created a new account. So once you've done creating a new account, the next thing is just to link into MT5. Okay, so now go to details. On details, you go to settings. That's when you'll be seeing your login details. You can see below, you can see the trading platform MT5. That's MetaTrader 5. The login details, you can see your login number. You can see your server details. All right, so when you don't remember your password, you need to do is just click on this change trading password, and you change your trading password, and you just connect everything. But you can see we just created a new password, so I can vividly remember what my password, so I don't need to change anything again. All right, so now all I need to do is just, first of all, I copy my server, because that's where I will know where. Just copy your server first. That's the first thing. So I just copied my server, right? Then I go to MT5. This is my MT5. So now for those of you that for those of you that new to MT5, you will see something like register on MT5, create a demo, stuffs like that. That's what you'll be seeing. So please guys, just remove that stuff. All right, if you're using iPhone, you can see this is just follow what I'm gonna be. But if you're using Android, if you come at the top of your screen right here, at this top now, this dot, when you click on it, you see something like manage account. Okay, just click on that manage account, then you see a plus sign. All right, that's where you start from. But if you're using iPhone, just go to settings, and then you see this new account, click on it. All right, then you can see where you enter company or server name. If you're using Android, the same thing. When you click on that plus sign, it will also bring you here. So let's continue. So what you need to do is just to server name. Remember, we copied the server name. What you need to do is just to paste that server name right here, and you can see Exness Technologies Limited will come out for you. All you need to do is just tap on it. All right, tap on it, and then remember the server we copied was real 9 MT5. Sorry, real 9. So back to MT5. So real 9. So look for real 9 first of all. So we are looking for real 9. So yeah, all right, so this is real 9. Then we need to copy the login number, which is this. So I've copied it already. So come here and paste it. Then that password, I'll just type it in. I'll just type in the password, and I'll click done. You can see I've connected the account. So if I come to settings, you'll be seeing coach. You can see the coach. That's my nickname. You can see I've connected that account to MT5. So now all I need to do is just deposit. Go back to Exness. All right. Come back to Exness and click on this deposit. So when you click on this deposit, so far you can see I've not really verified my account, so that's why it's still unavailable. So once you verify the account, it will be available. All these payment method will be available. You can see you can use USDT, you can use online pay with bank. You can see like many options. You can also pay with Bitcoin with your bank card or with your online bank transfer. So if you're using bank transfer, just click on the first one, and you can see where you can make your deposit. So immediately you make deposit within 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it will reflect here, and as it's reflecting here, it will also be reflecting on your MT5. Alright, so this is how you register on Exness and connect the account to your MetaTrader 5. So now when you join the group now, the next video I'm gonna be dropping is how to take trades. Alright, how to take a buy position when I drop signals on the group, how to take sell position when I drop signals on the group. Alright, so they can make your profit while learning from the group also. So thank you.